Okay, so in this video we're going to talk about the inequalities and the direction of the inequality symbol. Okay, so again, there's this idea of getting a sense of the relationship between the two numbers on either side or both sides of the inequality symbol. Okay, so here's what you have to remember. So the directional should always preserve the relationship or the sense of the sense of direction, right? You know, greater than, larger than. So these should have an intuitive idea about them, right? And so unlike equalities where we can interchange the numbers on both sides of the equal sign, which we call the principle of equality, we can't do that with inequalities. Okay, so if we interchange the numbers or if we interchange the expressions on either side of the inequality symbol, then we also have to switch the inequality to preserve the relationship. Okay, so what this is saying is when the sides of an inequality are interchanged, the direction of the inequality must be reversed. Okay, so in other words, if this is true, A is less than B, then this is also true. Okay, B is greater than A. So again, the relationship is still preserved. Okay, it still makes sense. If this is true, then obviously this is true, right? If A is bigger than B, then B is less than A. Okay, so these are basically just two ways of saying the same thing, right? That's exactly what we're trying to say. And likewise for these two, right? If you have less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, then you also, when you switch the two sides, you also need to switch the inequality to preserve the correct relationship. Okay, so in the next video we're going to talk about negative numbers and how negative numbers affects the direction, right? And so I talked about that in the last video, I believe. So now we're going to actually put it together in a, what do I want to say? Into a specific, concise statement, okay? And show some examples. Okay, see you then.